Hey there, Suman Pachigulla here. Let me ask you one thing. Are you aspiring to be a successful person? Do you want to create wealth? Do you want to make money? Do you want to see yourself the happiest person that is contributing towards their family and the society? Then what is stopping you to be that person? What is stopping you to get it? And now, here is why the reason you are not able to do what you want to do. You know you want that good health. You know you want that money. And you know that you want that good relationship. But somehow things are not going, things are not working according to the way you wanted it to be. Correct? If everything would have worked, you could have been that good person. Now let me tell you this truth. Nothing will work according to our favor unless we think it is. I'll repeat it once again. Nothing, no situation, no circumstance will work on our favor as long as except we think it is. So now, the moment that you have now, today, in the time you are watching this video, that is the perfect moment. No moment will be perfect, that we have to make every moment perfect so that could align to our highest vision. Well, you have asked for a lot of money, you have asked for success, and you have asked for that promotion. So did you ever try to understand or know what and how that success will be for you when you get it? Did you ever feel what exactly does that success mean to you? It is not that saying that I'll feel happy, I'll feel joy, I'm gonna buy mobile, I'm going to buy a house, and so and so. You got to sit down and you need to understand the success that you are asking for, the success that you are always worried about. Is that something, that particular thing is coming from your inside, your inner voice, or it is coming more from a comparison by looking at other people? You got to understand this. You joined that particular job and the profession for something, and now this is the time. If you're not feeling happy there, you need to ask the question, why did I join that organization, and why I'm not feeling the way I was feeling excited before I was accepting the offer? Now that is going to reveal you the truth about yourself, and you need to understand that no one is going to come to your rescue but yourself. You need to just change the state of your mind that makes you feel frustrated. And now the frustration is a kind of emotion that we feel in our body. And how that emotion forms? The emotion forms by the chemical reaction that happens, that triggered by the neurochemicals, right? The neurochemicals that triggered and gets into the body, and now the body reacts to the chemicals, and now we gave that name as a frustration, stress, or confusion, whatever it is. And now you need to understand what triggers the brain, what influences the brain to trigger such chemicals, what influences the chemicals to come into the body, meaning it is a thought. And you need to catch that thought, you need to catch that thinking pattern, your state of being, to understand, okay, this is what I was thinking, and that thinking, that multiple loop thinking is creating me to feel in this way. Now you need to change that thinking pattern. And what is that you're going to think? You have to think about what you want, but you don't have to think about what you don't want. And most of the people, they spend the whole day, whole week, whole year thinking, this is what I don't have, this is what I don't have, that is what I don't have. But you got to ask and think what you want. I want this success, I want these placements, I want this house. And now the next question is, how I'm going to do it? So how you are going to do it is, your thinking will not, your overthinking will not help you to get here, but your actions will. And the actions you are going to take from a point of realization, with the point that you are going to think from a realization of getting yourself already attached with that success, meaning you have already been successful. You have successful in your mind. Now it is just a matter of time that you have to carry this body to that self. You want to make more placements. You want to make that incentives. Now you don't have to worry. You don't have to blame anybody else, because you are the one who is influencing your world. So if you want that placements and you are religiously following the tasks and you are clear on your vision that why you want that placement, it is just not about the money. But if you get the money, where exactly you're going to put it, whom you're going to tell, are you going to gift it to somebody else? You're going to talk to your spouse, your parents, that hey, I helped these people to get a job and I'm getting this money. So now you have to associate a positive feeling with your success, and each time you go down, go back and connect to the positive feeling, and you will back to your flow, and you are going to do those things. Okay, so each moment, each time anything happens, it is the mood, that is the state of mind, which tells us what is this. But the moment you change your interpretation, you will see the world in a different manner. Now you want a good health, go and walk. You want good placements, find out the new strategies and new way of doing things. You want good relationship, read some relationship related book, talk to your people why things are not working. And you want a beautiful state of mind, go watch something you love, spend time in your nature. And now once you do these things, you will see that how beautifully your life is changing. It is not the wish, it is not the thinking pattern that will bring you success, but every day what you do, small or bigger actions, and that translates into a habit, and that habit makes you the person that you deserve. All right, I hope it made sense to you, and thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.